Hey there, thanks for clicking. Welcome to Home Languages. This is your channel, right? And on today's lesson, we are going to study the body parts or parts of the body. We are going to be making a review about the body parts and all, or parts of the body. Remember that we already studied body parts in a previous video, yes, and today we're gonna try to make that review with the five senses, yes. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you can receive all the notifications every time that I post a video, yes. So please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we got here a human body. So in around of it, we got the parts. Yes, the first part is toe, foot, leg, knee, stomach. You can see there the stomach, finger, chest, arm, neck, shin, eye, mouth, cheek, hand, elbow, nose, hair, shoulder, ear. Okay, you can see the whole body, that is all the parts are around of it, and you can see it, all of them are in the singular. Some of the parts can be in plural and some of them can be in singular. Okay, the next part is the five senses. What are the five senses? Okay, we got this list: the sense, smell, touch, taste, sight, hearing. Okay, with the smell, we're gonna have some verbs or actions. You know, the smell is the verb smell, is the same. Touch is touch, the same verb. Taste is gonna be taste. Sight is gonna be see, the verb is see. Hearing is gonna be hear. Okay, I repeat the verbs or actions that you can use with the five senses: smell, touch, taste, see, and hear. Okay, what is that? Hear. All right. Okay, let's continue with the other list, is parts of the body. Okay, what part of the body can we use with the five senses? Okay, with the smell, we use the nose. So we smell with our nose. With touch, we use the hands. We touch things with hands. Taste, we taste things with the tongue, food, most of it. And sight, we see with our eyes. Hearing, and we hear with our ears. Okay, that's all. This is the five senses. Okay, let's continue. Now we have some exercises including the parts of the body and the five senses. Okay, all right, we got these five sentences. Okay, and also we have a space, and we need to complete with the verbs, right? So in the we got a column where it is the picture, and in the space we're gonna put the verbs. Okay, first, we space with our nose. Okay, so what verb it is? Smell. We smell with our nose. Next, we see with our eyes. Remember, the red letters are the verbs. Okay, so next we have the picture of an ear. We space with our, we hear with our ear. Okay, next we taste with our tongue. Okay, remember the tongue is a part of the body. We didn't study that here, but I show you here in the picture. Next, hands. What do we do with our hands? We touch with our hands. Okay, I repeat: we smell with our nose, we see with our eyes, we hear with our ear, we taste with our tongue, and we touch with our hands. Right? Okay, that's all we have time for. Thanks for watching.